offense and defense. But this scourge developed an asymmetrical form of offense. And I thought, what a great idea if somebody could develop an asymmetrical form of defense to keep the offensive guys.
Terrorism operations and license in cyberspace enable information warfare at lightning speed, microsecond.
Washington Post photo editor missed was this idiot, fake dead guy sitting up too quickly.
It's going to be much more sophisticated, it's going to be much more dramatic, but the good message is for the business people. This business is forever.